Hi guys, I'm gonna play some Slitherio. Okay.
Oh my god, it's like.
And like I'm playing some Slitherio's dudes and like peeps out there, dudes and peeps. The peeps I call people peeps and some dudes, my friend dudes.
If you didn't have any boosts,
Dudes. So I'm gonna call my YouTube my subs peeps.
please just don't.
You're so cute as the skin.
Yeah, it's my favorite skin.
No, yes!
Like that.
Pool shot.
Well, I wish this was in like light kind of bluish, but not like that light blue. Kind of like greenish light blue, like turquoise.
No!
And then,
No, the timer!
wait, am I in the middle? No, I need to go be in the middle.
No, you're gonna score like a first.
Where I call it the death zone, the middle, because everybody's in the middle. Yes, I killed someone. Why is someone's name dirty? Like, that's just wrong.
I liked you. Yeah, right. You tried to save
I'm
sorry, guys. That's Lucas and my brother in the background. They're playing Rocket League.
That was just
I actually want to play that game someday, but not on my channel.
Okay, so it's 5-2. That's good.
Oh my goodness, someone's name is Jacob with lots of B's. Our friend's name is
Jake,
Jacob.
I got wheels called
Right, Tatiana? You remember?
Jake, I hurt my nose twice today. I missed it. Heads up!
Hey, that's my squishy! What the heck?
Dare you! Why won't it work? I don't know.
Die, Julie plays. You're gonna be all mine to eat. It's ad. Don't ad. The ad's the reason why I died. Blame it on the ad. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Blame it on the ad. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Is that your mom talking?
Yes.
This match.
Stop.
Slut, you scored.
No, my goodness! I killed someone. Then someone killed me.
No.
No.
Oh, yes.
I don't care for you. I'm gonna kill you, New.
Nope.
Yes. My tablet fell out of my hands.
No.
My tablet slipped and I died.
No. I'm not playing this anymore.
Come on.
I'm not playing Slitherio anymore.
Do you girls want to go outside?
No, thanks.
No. A stab battle.
Okay, sure.
That's right. 1-0.
Bye.
Do you
Okay.
remember what happened last game? Yeah.
Super?
No, 2 games ago. It was,
Sorry guys, you
were
probably
about to
couldn't hear
score,
me, but
it went into
now it's
overtime.
because of my
And
brother and his friend. It's so loud
And
playing their stupid game. Well, bye guys. Super out.